Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Simple Liquid Dispenser for Bottling Plants, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Here we see the speed being controlled. This is a low-cost project controlling the speed of a DC motor. The key components used are Arduino Uno board, IRF 540 MOSFET, 1N4007 rectifier diode, and an LED. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.